guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another clean with me. I'm bringing you guys some real life cleaning motivation. This video also is in collab with one of my friends here on YouTube, Yesenia. She's also going to be doing some cleaning as well, so you guys are getting double the motivation. I'm gonna let her introduce herself.
Hi guys, my name is Yesenia. I'm coming from Yesi Lifestyle. I do a lot of cleaning videos, mommy related. After you're done watching this video, I would love for you to check me out.
So as soon as you're done watching my video, definitely go say hello to Yesenia and check out her video for more motivation. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by making me a fresh cup of coffee. When I recorded this, it was early in the morning, right after I got Lakin on the bus, so your girl needed her cup of coffee. I cannot function without coffee, you guys. I would probably be like a mom zombie if I didn't have it. So I'm gonna clear off my counters, get everything put away off the counter while my coffee is going. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make that first cup of coffee, and then I am good to go.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. It got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. Don't do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. Don't do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you have questions, I don't have answers. Clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure. 'Cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions.
Now that it is starting to get warm outside, we are having the #1 problem again. Ants. You guys, they are coming back with a vengeance. This will be the second year that they've seemed to attack us. The way our house is set up, we're surrounded by dirt and a lot of landscaping, so it's probably like no way around it. But give me some suggestions on how I can control these things, because last summer they were very bad. I literally laid down cinnamon along all my baseboards and it worked. I read that it was like a temporary thing, but it's temporary. So of course, as soon as I would sweep it up, they would be right back in full force. So give me some suggestions on maybe something that's natural. You know, since I do have little kids, Samir's crawling everywhere. I don't want anything strong that he can get in his mouth and get very extremely sick. So let me know in the comments what you have done to control ants.
With you, we no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I can hear music grow louder. Top going down while we're riding. Nothing like us, babe. We be glorious. Looking real pretty like Kylie. We bring commotion, no hiding. No one like us, babe. We are glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor. Stir it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum, dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that Nothing above that can stop us. You and me sparkle like stardust. No one like us, babe. We be glorious. And you could try hating or shaming. There'll be no bowing or taming. Nothing like us, babe. We be glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor. Stir it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum, dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and it gave you some motivation to get up and tackle your house and get some cleaning done. Also, don't forget to head over to Yesenia's channel. If you need some extra motivation and you're still chilling on your couch, go over to her channel, tell her I said hello, and get some more motivation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.